Are you tired of buying wigs just because they look good only to realize that the unit is poor quality? Stay tuned for the most comprehensive, detailed video. Do yourself a favor and don't skip. You might miss something. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So dolls, today's video I'm going to be trying something different. So I'm trying to fill the gap that has been created between the shorts video and the YouTube video. The shorts video, I know you guys love it because it's short and to the sweet, but a lot of y'all are buying wigs just because it looks good, and we all know buying a wig just because it looks good, it's not really the best idea. So I'm trying to find that perfect sweet spot where I can give you guys enough information on how to install the wig, the shipping, the ease of use, and everything you would need to know to make an informed decision on whether or not to purchase this wig. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Today's video, I'll be reviewing this unit from RPGSHOW, not to be confused with RPG Hair. They are two totally different companies, so don't mix them up. I'm going to show you guys the cap construction really quickly. This is a 13x6 unit, and this is a glueless Swiss lace front. It has 200% density. The lace color is medium brown, and this is 20 inches with a silky texture. As I mentioned, this is a 13x6, and the placement of the unit fits perfectly along my ear tabs, so I don't have to worry about trying to customize and cut it. I simply have to cut the lace off. This cap size is 21.5 to 22 inches. Therefore, it is not big head friendly. Stay tuned and watch to the end, and I'm going to give you all the information on purchasing the right size wig. Now, I will be doing a semi-glueless install today. This unit can be worn glueless. However, I chose to lay it down using my hairspray. Really quickly, I'm showing you guys just the parting space that's available on this unit so you know that you can wear it in a left or side part. One of the most important things you want to do when installing a unit is make sure you pay special attention to laying down your edges and your parting space. If you don't own a hot comb, be sure and pick one up. I have everything linked in the description box down below. One of the newest methods that I've started doing lately is using my hairspray and spraying it along the parting and then going over with a hot comb. This allows you to have a more polished, clean look, and it helps it to look good for the second and third day. I like to cut layers in the front of my unit. It adds dimension and allows the curls to lay a lot nicer. I decided to add curls to this unit. The best method I found for adding curls has been to curl your hair going straight towards the back. This is going to allow for the best curling pattern and for your curls to flow more effortlessly towards your face. A bowl cap method is never necessary if you follow these exact steps. Go over your parting space with a concealer if you are not doing a bowl cap method. If you have specific questions that you struggle with for your install, comment down below and I got you. Okay dolls, let's get into the meat and potatoes, aka the details of this unit. As I mentioned, this is a 13x6 glueless unit. It can be worn glueless. No, I did not wear it glueless. However, that option is there. The cap size I'm wearing is 21.5 to 22 inches. My head is a 22 inch, and I feel like this cap fits my head perfectly. If your head is slightly larger, go ahead and size up. This is a size 1. However, they also have custom size 2 that is 22.5 to 23 inches. Now, if your head is a little bit bigger than that, they do offer custom size wigs. However, the wait time is a little lengthy at 40 days. So if you're not in a rush to get your unit and you would like to have a custom cap size, go ahead and explore those options. Now let's get into the shipping. The shipping for this unit, according to the website, is about 4 to 7 days for a straight unit and 7 to 10 days for a wavy or curly unit. I did not experience any shedding or tangling with this unit. However, this is RPGSHOW. They are a premium brand and you're going to get a premium quality unit, but it's also going to come at a premium price. Lucky for you guys, Black Friday is coming when they have the biggest discounts and flash sales are offered throughout November. So now is the perfect time to go ahead and invest in this unit. If this is something that you're interested, you're going to get the best deal. The lace on this unit is a transparent Swiss lace. I'm wearing this in medium brown. However, a light brown color is offered as well. If you're into the fake scalp, they do offer that for an additional price for, I think it's about $10. Now let me get into the comfort of wearing this unit. As I mentioned, this unit does fit me pretty exact. It's very comfortable wearing. It's not rubbing against the back of my ears or any locations, and it fits pretty comfortably in the back as well. Ease of install. As you guys saw, this unit does come pre-plucked. It comes bleached, and basically all you have to do is cut off the lace and install it how you want. And as I already mentioned, you can wear it glueless if that's your cup of tea. Now, RPGSHOW is one of my favorite units. I've been working with them for a pretty good time and they have a solid reputation. If you guys have any questions about this unit, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section down below. I do answer all questions. Now, before we get out of here, guys, y'all already know I'm going to need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. If you're still watching this video, that means you like this video. So go ahead and like this video. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. I'd love to have you. And while you're at it, why don't you check out these videos? You might find them helpful as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.